Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching.
Hit you on BBM, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take the high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. Going off opiates, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit a nigga, say she the loneliest, cause it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, take you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up, we should be closer than friends. Open up, F-U-O-P-E-N. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up, need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up, you OPN, hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take the high road and hop in. Open up, shutting down like a Macintosh. Open up, O-P-E-N, O-P-E-N. Cold as ice in a Coca-Cola. Open up.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so we have a new unit from the Outre melted hairline. I absolutely love this collection. Today we have the style Fabiola, and we have her in the color DRFF Cajun Spice. So as you guys can see, I am doing some color, okay? For the next few videos, we are going to be hopping into this color, okay? These warm, spicy colors. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about this one. So as you guys can see, she is big, okay? So if you are one of those fabulous divas who are a little bit afraid of big hair, this one is not going to be for you, okay? This is for, you know, those girls. It's like yes to the big hair, because as soon as you run your fingers through her, this is what happens. You guys seen I barely even ran my fingers through it, just a little bit, and this is what we got. So let's talk about like the cap construction and everything. The cap construction is very nice, especially for the price. It does come with an elastic band. It also comes with beautiful meltable HD lace, and then the standard cap construction. Two combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, so your unit will be very secure. And it is average head friendly, meaning that it could fit large and small heads, which is always good. Another unique thing about the cap construction is that it does have a 2x5 parting area, so that means that you have a little bit more wiggle room in here in case you want to change something about the part or whatever you want. You do have that, so that is pretty good. And the parting space is also pretty darn long, which makes it look all the more natural. So yeah, let's just hop right into it. I like this hair, but this is not going to be like a unit where you're going to get much use out of it. And I'm just going to say that I'm just going to be very open and honest with you guys. You know, like you're not going to, yeah, you're just not gonna get that many looks out of it, okay? Especially if you don't like you know, big hair and stuff like this. Like this is, yeah, I feel like this is like photo shoot, or this is like, this is a moment, this is an event, this is a photo shoot. Like it's not for your everyday type of gal, okay? Like this one, I don't know, she's cute though. She's definitely serving a look, as you guys can see. Let me put some back because, you know, it's kind of taking over my fabulousness. But yeah, like it's just, I don't know, like it's a really nice wig, but it's just big. and it does shed, it does tangle. So yeah, while this is a look, like if you're not gonna wear this to just a photo shoot or just like for a special occasion for one day, then I would say you need to pass on this one, because honey, you see what's happening, you see what's going on. And granted, you know, I know people probably are like, well, you could have just left well enough alone. I don't feel like the wig just left alone, I don't feel like it looks good, okay? It's just gonna look very stiff and flat because of the texture of this hair. This is more of a coarse texture hair, so if you leave the style to just be, I just feel like it would look dry, stale, and stiff, okay? And that is just not the look, okay? But overall, I think this definitely is a look, but it's not gonna float everybody's boat. So yeah, overall, I do like it. If you are looking for this kind of moment, this kind of look, they also have other colors. They also have natural colors. I've seen people review the natural color and it just looks absolutely beautiful, very glamorous. But I always bring you guys just like, basically I've been bringing you guys know I used to love and explore with color, but I don't know, I just got comfortable with the 1 and the 1B, so I had to venture out that and give you guys something new. I want to give the girls what they want. So yeah, that's why I got this Cajun Spice color, and I love it. I feel like it does complement my skin tone very well. But yeah, overall, I think you should get it if you want something that's big, bold, and fabulous. She's definitely a look, and the cap construction is absolutely impeccable, as they all are in the Outre, well, most of them. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know, have you picked her up? Are you gonna rock her? What color would you get her in? What color do you have her in? Just let me know. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.